morning. I need a cup of coffee. It's a good thing I made some last night.
That's right. This coffee is a cold brewed coffee. It's cool, creamy, and delicious. I found this recipe, and this recipe has cinnamon in it. I'm not sure about that, but we're going to try it. You'll need a container that will hold 3 cups of water and 2/3 cup coffee. I'm just using this thermos, but it doesn't matter what you use, it just needs a lid. Put 2/3 of coarsely ground coffee into the container.
Add a teaspoon of cinnamon and 3 tablespoons of brown sugar.
Add 3 cups of cold water, and that was almost too much for the container, but it made it.
Stir it up real good.
This is called iced coffee too, and it brews really slowly to mellow out the flavors. Because cold brewing is slow, it's less bitter than regular coffee. Cover it with a lid and put it in the refrigerator for about 10 hours. Now strain the coffee through a sieve. It's kind of a pain to filter it. I filtered it twice. That's why it's better to use coarse ground coffee. But you're always going to have some little floaties in there. And that's okay because it's still good. Now add ice to a glass and pour you some coffee. Add a little creamer, and you can add some extra sugar if you want to sweeten it up a bit. But I want to talk about a secret ingredient, vanilla powder. This stuff is great in coffee. I haven't been able to figure out what else to use it for, but it tastes wonderful in coffee.
So if you want to nix the cinnamon, add the vanilla powder, or do both.
Something a little different than your morning cup of hot coffee. Cold brewed coffee. Thanks for watching.